Okay, so one last thing before we end this course is you can use nmcli, which is Network Manager CLI tool, to create teaming also. And you can add team 0 interface with IP address and a gateway. So we're going to do this in just one command line. So nmcli con add type team con name team 0 if name ifcfg team 0 IP 4 192.168.122.120, and then the gateway configuration is going to be GW4 192.168.122.1. It's giving me a warning because I have already added team 0, but it still successfully added it. So the proper way to do it is to remove the one I added previously and then add it from nmcli. Okay, now we're going to add the two interfaces. nmcli con add type team hyphen slave con name enp 0s3 if name enp 0s3 master team 0. Okay, it's successfully added, but it gave me a reference again that I need to remove the previous one. And here I'm gonna just change this to 8 and change this to 8, and let me see if I need to change anything else on this. I think rest all looks good. Okay, this one is created as well. So this command added the two interfaces as slaves to team 0 and the file ifchg enps 0s3 and 0s8, and they are in the specific folder, the scripts folder that we are in right now. So this is how you can either configure bonding or you can configure teaming, which is a new thing starting from CentOS 7 and RHEL 7. So you have a choice, but the bond configuration is going to be deprecated eventually, and so it's a good idea to use the team daemon and use the teaming configuration from here on. Thank you.